Wagwan, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while now since I'm busy, man, with a lot of catering job and everything. But you don't know, I hope everybody keep themselves safe and keep the family safe as well. But wagwan now, guys. Me I go do some pudding. Pudding me I go do tonight, you see? From the other day, I keep on getting a lot of phone call. Them want pudding. But tonight, me and the team is in the kitchen tonight baking pudding. See? But guess what I go on? I not can't tell you now the recipe. I can't give you the count of the recipe and what me I go use. But if I don't want the recipe, you don't have to link me. See? But I'm going to show you. Alright, watch what I go on now. I have some sweet potato already. I have cocoa already. I have yam right here, so. I have flour right here, so. All of these things, you know, is Jamaican stuff. See? I have to go to a Caribbean shop and get these. Without a pudding, real Jamaican pudding you get, you know. So you have to have the real Jamaican authentic kitchen here, you know. So we have the flour, and you don't know we have the ingredients over here, so. Can't do it without the bottle of rum. We have some Malibu, because you don't know we have our own style. We have some brown sugar there, so we have some cornmeal there, so. And we have the pan here, so. See? 2 10-inch. See? Yeah, so I have the coconut milk right there, so as well. So have a good look. So these are the recipe. As what I say, guys, I can't walk through. These are the ingredients. So I can't really tell you right now. But if you want to know, give me a link. But I will walk you through and make you see what I go on. See? But do the right thing before you watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to share. See? Just sit in, man. Grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of tea. Leave the baking to me. Me and the crew is in the kitchen doing our thing.
September we met. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like
done beat the pudding, you know. So take a look on it. What you think? Drop me a comment. Give me some thumbs up. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes guys, so what you think about that? You don't know me and the team, you know. We're still doing the work, see? But you know the right thing. Do it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Adrian the Chef was in the building, and I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm out.